To all, my name is Kavita. I am working as a biology CRT in Kgbv Ps, district. Today we will discuss about one important topic, that is the nutrition. What is the lesson name? That is the nutrition. Children, think in daily life we do so many works. How it is possible? Yes, children. Compulsory any type of works we do on the time your body is energetic. There is no energy, we do any type of works is not done. Yes or no, children? Yes, sir. The energy, how to this energy is get in our body? Yes, children. We take food. Compulsory, we take food. On the time, the body is energetic. This intake of food to the body, this process is called the nutrition. This process is called the nutrition. Intake of food. Intake of food to the body. Intake of intake of food. This process is called the nutrition. Okay, children? This nutrition is mainly two types. This nutrition is mainly two types. How many types? Two types. One is the autotrophic nutrition, and second one is the heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, children? The nutrition is the two types. One is the autotrophic nutrition and second one is the heterotrophic nutrition. What is the autotrophic nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition. Children, auto means self. Auto means self. So, autotrophic nutrition, which organisms to make their own food? Which organisms to make their own food in the nutrition? In autotrophic nutrition, organisms make their own food. For example, plants to make their own food. Example, plants and oil. Is the heterotrophic nutrition. Next one is the heterotrophic nutrition. In this nutrition, the animals does not make their own food. Does not make their own food. So these animals depend on others for food. These animals depend on others for food. For example, all animals. Okay, children? Next, how do plants to make their own food? Children, in earlier classes we learn all plants do one process. What is the process, children? That is the photosynthesis process. That is the photosynthesis process. In this process, some food is produced. In this process, some food is produced. Suppose there is no photosynthesis process in plants, what will happen, children? Think. Yes, children, there is no food to any organism. So, this this process is called the universal food provider. Universal food provider. Okay children, why the photosynthesis process is called universal food provider? In this photosynthesis process, to produce the food, and this food is used for the all organisms on the earth. So it is called the universal food provider. Okay children. Next, photosynthesis process. We already in lower sections photosynthesis process where the photosynthesis process is done in leaves. Already we learned the lower section. In this session, the photosynthesis process, who proposed this photosynthesis process equation? Children, photosynthesis. Who proposed the photosynthesis process equation? Do you know children? Kgbv Ps. This person proposed the photosynthesis. Kgbv Ps. This person proposed the photosynthesis process equation. What is the equation of the photosynthesis process? See children, 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O gives rise to sunlight and chlorophyll. C6 H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6 H2O. This is the equation for the photosynthesis process. See children, 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O gives rise to sunlight, chlorophyll. Okay children. Next, C6 H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6 H2O. Children, in that equation, these four are called the raw materials. These four are called the raw materials. In the end of the equation, these products are called the end products. Okay children, this is the equation for the photosynthesis process. In this process, the left side materials is called the raw materials and right one is called the end products. Okay children. Okay children, how many raw materials is there? Raw materials. So the CO2, H2O, light and chlorophyll. Suppose in that material any one substance is not there in the plants, on the time the plants not do the photosynthesis process. Okay children, in this materials, suppose any one materials is not there or not available to the plants on the time, the photosynthesis process is not done. Okay children, how to prove? Suppose this CO2 is not available in the plants on the time the plants not do the photosynthesis process. I will do one small activity children. That is in this activity we prove the plants need the CO2 for the photosynthesis process. CO2 is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay children, we conduct the experiment. We need some materials. What is that materials? One potted plant, one wide mouthed bottle, wide mouthed bottle and split cork and KOH solution and last iodine solution. Okay children, how to conduct the experiment? See children, this process. See children, procedure. Children, we conduct this activity. Compulsory we need one potted plant. This potted plant already we kept on the dark room. Why the plant is kept in dark room, children? Yes, this is de-starched. On the time the plant is de-starched. Okay children, we take this potted plant and we take one wide mouth bottle. Okay children, we take one wide mouthed bottle. In that bottle we pour some KOH solution. We pour some KOH solution or pellets children. Next we insert the spirited cork. We insert the spirited cork. After we insert the leaf into the bottle. See children, observe this figure. This is the wide mouthed bottle and we take KOH solution in that bottle. This is the spirited cork. Okay children? Okay. This arrangement is, total arrangement is kept on the sunlight. Okay children? After 2 hours, this leaf is left the plant and conduct the iodine solution test or iodine test. See children, this is this leaf. We pour iodine solution in the on the leaf. On the time the half of the plant is changing into the dark blue color and inside leaf is not color changed. What is the reason children? Think. In the inside of the leaf there is no KOH, there is no CO2 in the bottle because the KOH solution observes the total CO2 in the bottle. So the CO2 is not available to the plant. So it is not do the photosynthesis process. So it is no starch in that plant. So in that iodine test there is no color change. Okay children? So the outside of the leaf it is all raw materials is available. So it is done the photosynthesis process. The starch is formed. So it is in the iodine test it is changed to the blue black color. Okay children? Next, what precaution do you take in the process children? That leaf is not touched to the KOH solution. What precaution do you now take in the experiment? Children, the leaf is not touched to the KOH solution. Okay children, this is the process of the CO2 experiment and also it called the Mole's half-leaf experiment. Mole's half-leaf experiment. Okay children? Children, we take any type of the leaf. We take any type of the leaf, children. It is the upper side of the leaf is very dark in color. The lower part is the light color. Anytime we observe the children, why the upper layer is very shiny or very dark. The lower is why it is the lower part is a light in color. Children, this is the reason in the upside of the leaf, the upper layer of the leaf contain so many chloroplasts. So it is the dark in color to compare with the lower leaf. Okay children, observe the TS of leaf structure.